Abbott can sit up like a big boy now, and he thinks the cat is the greatest in the world. Let's see if we can show him. Mario! Come here! Come here! Mario! Come here, Mario! Where's Mario, Abbott? Where's Mario? Here he comes. There he is.
Hey, Mama, I got Mario right here.
Thank you, Otto.
Loves me.
Yes. Let me see. Is Mario a sweet kitty?
Yeah.
He loves you?
Yeah,
Look at me.
He's playing with me.
He is?
Yeah.
Tell me something else about Mario.
He loves me. He's my kitty.
Why does he love you so much?
Because he's my kitty.
Autumn, come sit over here so Abbott can see Mario too. Sit right there. Put your bottom over there. Perfect. Abbott, what is that? Is that Mario, Abbott? You love Mario?
Hey, Mario's trying to kiss me.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.